Administrative Agency Law by Angie Correa. The agency I selected to work on was the Department of Defense. This is the link that will take you straight to their website. The reason why I decided to talk about the agency is due to the influence it has in my life. My husband works for the Navy, and although there's some things I've learned through my husband, there's many things that I would like to learn myself. He's the one that signed up under a contract, yet I feel like I'm the one that's in a contract as well with the Department of Defense. And I guess the more you know about something, the easier it is for you to adapt and have your own ideas. The purpose of this agency is to have military forces ready to go in case of an attack, protecting security, and also deterring war. The Department of Defense covers 4 military branches. Those are Army, Navy, Marine Corps, and Air Forces. It consists of 1.3 million men and women of active duty. I would also like to make awareness that in addition to active duty, there are 742,000 civilians employed in the Defense Department. They are known as DOD. I actually worked for as a DOD employee for 2 years before we had to move. The Secretary of Defense is whom exercises authority is Jim Mattis. That's his picture. For the FOIA records, we will go to that link and it will take us to this website. Here, the easiest thing I found is that we go to this website and we pick our branch, Department of Defense, and actually what I did for the project, and then this is where you would go to get the records, or any request. And I specified on the Navy, so that's who my husband worked for, and this is actually how I got the information from and submitted my request from the previous assignment. 2 statutes that I found is the 5 U.S.C. Section 107, and that's for confidential reports. It talks about, or it covers, is that the financial disclosure information pertaining to certain government and employees. And then the second statute I found was a 10 U.S.C.A. Section 893, cruelty and maltreatment. So basically, any person subject to this chapter who is guilty of cruelty toward or oppression or maltreatment of any person subject to his orders shall be punished as a court-martial may direct. Features on how to navigate the website. So we go to defense.gov, and this is their website. The website is pretty easy to follow. It's divided right here with these tabs, and you can, like, these are like bonuses, like additional links. You click on them and it takes you to, as it states, videos. It shows forces doing work. They're basically what they tend to do. News. 2 features that I thought were very interesting is that you could subscribe, and then by your subscription, instead of, you get everything sent to you instead of having to come back and check and looking up for the website and then going through the links to find information. You just subscribe and they can come directly to your email. And then another feature that I liked was you go to videos, then you go to live events, and if there's anything going on live, they will be recording it here. So you get to see the live videos, and I think that's pretty interesting. And to navigate the website, like I said, I think it's pretty easy to follow. The links are here. I did not find this website complicated at all. It was very straightforward. I liked it a lot. And I actually spent some time watching videos and photos of the activities they tend to do. And this will conclude my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a couple of things.